understanding central tendencies, measure of data allocation. This portion explores the fundamental measure of data allocation. This presentation explores the fundamental concepts of central tendency, the cornerstone of descriptive statistics, used to find mean, typical, or central value in dataset. What is central tendency and introduction? Central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central portion within that set. It provides a summary of the data and helps in making generalizations about the population from which the sample data was drawn. These measures are critical for comparing different datasets and interpreting complex information. There are the primary measures we will explore: the mean, the median, and the mode. Efficiency condenses a large dataset into a single representative number. Interpretation allows for quick, meaningful understanding of data characteristics. The mean, your everyday average. Definition: the arithmetic average calculated by summing all values and dividing by the total count of values. Usage: the ideal for theoretical datasets such as test scores or height, where data is evenly distributed. Sensitivity. Sensitivity: highly sensitive to outliers, extreme values, which can skew the mean significantly. The mathematical formula for the mean is the sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. In practice, the mean is the most commonly used measure because it incorporates every value in the dataset, providing a complete sense of the data's overall magnitude. The median: finding the middle ground. The median is the middle value in a dataset when the values are arranged in an ascending or descending order. It effectively splits the data into two actual halves. 1. Odd number of data points. The median is simply the exact middle observation. 2. Even number of data points. The median is the average of the two middle observations. The key advantage of the median is its robustness against outliers. Since it only considers the portion of the data, extreme values do not distort it, making it ideal for skewed distribution like income or house prices. The mode. In identifying the most frequent, the modulus is the value that appears most often in a set of data. Unlike the mean and median, the mode can be used for non-numeric or categorical data. Most common. Represent the peak of the data distribution or the most frequent category. Multiple modes. A dataset can have one mode, unimodal, two modes, bimodal, or more multimodal. Categorical data. The only measure of central tendency. Stable for nominal data, e.g., favorite color, preferred brand. If no value appears in the dataset, there is a mode if all values occur with the same frequency. Some statisticians argue that the mode is meaningless in that context. Comparing mean, median, and mode. When you use which, choosing the right measure depends entirely on the nature of your data and goal of use superior in specific scenarios. Mean, the balancer. Used for normal symmetrical distribution, excellent for further algebraic manipulation. Mood, the popular choice. Used for categorical or nominal data, useful for identifying the most popular cause or frequent outcome. Median, the two counter. Used for square distribution, e.g., salaries, property values, profit, the trust typical value when data is non-normal. Why do tests measure material world application? Measures of central tendencies are essential tools used daily across various industries to make information and understand trends. Economics and finance. Median income and median home prices are used instead of the mean to avoid distraction from ultra-high earning or outright property sales. Education. Mean, average. Test scores are widely used to evaluate student performance and curriculum effectiveness. Health care and public health. Mold helps track the most common symptom, diseases, or blood type in a population for research allocation and research. Business and retail. The mode is critical for inventory management, knowing the most popular product size or color and sufficient stock. Limit detection and field focus when control tendencies can mislead. Field also for revealing slowly and control tendencies can be effective. A single number often hides critical information about the data variability or ignores data spread. Two entirely different datasets can have the same mean, median, and mode, yet one might be effective correlated while another is widely depressed. Susceptibility to skew. In high-squared data, the mean is skewed towards the tail, giving a misleading representation of the typical value. The median is more robust. Average miscontext. Reporting only one average without context, e.g., sample size standard deviation, can lead to insert conclusion or misinterpretation beyond the basic introduced to other measures. For a complete picture of dataset, control tendencies must be supplemented with measure of dispersion and location. Measure of dispersion. This describes how spread to audit data is. Key example include range, variance, and standard deviation. Quantile percentage or quartiles. These location-specific points in the data distribution, allowing for detailed segmentation, e.g. to percentile the 3D quart measure of shape. Squareness and kurtosis describe the asymmetry and the breakdownness of the distribution, providing insight into the data. Mystery central tendency is just the first step toward achieving powerful and conversion data analysis. Key takeaways and next steps. Mean, median, mode. There are different methods to locate the center of a dataset as serving unique analytic purpose depending on the data type and distribution. Handle outliers. The mean is effective by extreme value. The median is the preferred measure for skewed data like financial figures or high variable population. Context is key. Always use control tendencies alongside measure of deviation, like standard deviation, to fully characterize the data and avoid misleading conclusions. Next step, explore dispersed statistical concepts like variance, standard deviation, and different distribution. Tips on handling your data analysis skill.